minutes.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for staying patient with us. With this, now we are coming to the formal launch of our report, for which we have been waiting for a long time now. So I would like to welcome Mr. Ajay Sani. He is the Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and IT. It's a pleasure to have you on with us today, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. We have Mr. Arvind Kumar. He's the Group Coordinator of R&D in Cybersecurity. We welcome you, sir. We have Mr. Rakesh Maheshwari. He is the Group Coordinator of Cybersecurity and Cyber Law. Thank you so much for being with us today, sir. And we have Mr. Rama Videshri. She's the CEO of DSCI. So we'd like to request Mr. Arvind Kumar to say a few words for all of us.
Will you launch the report or will we first?
Let's launch the report, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So can we request all of you to please hold the report in front of you? So all of us are giving you the digital clap, sir. Maybe you cannot hear all of them, but we are sending it through digital claps.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so now I would like to request Mr. Arvind Kumar, sir, to please share a few words with all of us.
Thank you, Sonam. Good afternoon to the chair and all the members. Basically, I just wanted to highlight on the journey. The Ministry of Electronics and IT has been supporting R&D in cybersecurity for long. So far, we have been focusing on doing the research investment with academia, some R&D houses, primarily for the investigating agencies and all. But of late, in the last 1 year, and under the guidance of Secretary Sir, we have shifted our focus of engaging with industries, engaging with the users who are going to be the end user of this particular technology, to create a complete ecosystem of the technologies which is getting evolved in the process of R&D. In one such initiative, we started setting up Center of Excellences. One of the first Center of Excellence in the area of cybersecurity we supported with DSCI, and DSCI has started working in this area, and very recently they have completed the task and having a physical infrastructure in place. Besides, they were also working proof of concept, and the projects have been done under the METI program. We have given a complete, so that they can be leveraged by the startups working in DSCI, and one set of presentations has already been made by all such agencies. In one of the very innovative way of working in DSCI has done is, they have focused on different areas. Like, they have focused not only on a generalized Center of Excellence cybersecurity, they have created specialist groups within that, like for hardware security, for IoT, for cryptography. We have created certain set of focused areas in which the startups are being promoted and supported. And one such area is work from home, and we are very excited. Although the pandemic has given a big jolt to the common life, but now work from home is definitely becoming a new normal. And so we had a discussion, and we found out that let's try to look at, as work from home is going to be preferred by around 70% of the organization as per Gartner report. Let's try to focus on giving the secured solution. So that's how the whole initiative started, and identified which are the areas where we need typically need security in the work from home solutions. And definitely we found the network security was a major issue, and the end devices, besides having kind of like email security, phishing, and identity and access management and other issues. So they compiled, and there are a number of agencies which are one is a number of startups which are working in this area. So this particular the compilation which has come out beautifully, it has rightly captured the Indian organization who are working with addressing different security aspects needed in work from home, and the use cases, different use cases they have addressed. Definitely, all the startups are not have reached to the finishing line. Some of them are the starting, but this particular kind of compilation will give a good boost to the industries to see what all solutions are in making, what all can be used, and they can be provided further use cases to work upon. I think this is a very important landmark development in the right, a very timely development, which is done under the Center of Excellence. MATE is definitely recognizes this effort of DSCI under the program, and the next step is let's try to convert them into some solutions, some products, and bring them to the market so that they can be widely used. So with these few words, I congratulate DSCI and bringing out this publication. Thank you very much from my side.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Ajay Sahni to please share a few words with us.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's a pleasure being among you for the launch of this report. Particularly my greetings to Rama Vedashri, who has been sort of constantly working on this and guiding the effort of bringing up new companies, new startups, new solutions, and helping us in all the possible areas around cybersecurity. Mr. Arvind Kumar, who is guiding the R&D in cybersecurity, our efforts from MIT with DSCI and with many other organizations, including CDAC. Mr. Rakesh Maheshwari, who looks after cybersecurity and cyber law division in MIT. Mr. Vinayak Godse, who has been instrumental in bringing out this report and working closely in on this kind of work within DSCI. Other dignitaries who have joined this. This pandemic has been a major wake-up call for all of us. And on one side, we take pride that within government, we take a lot of pride that in a short time, almost overnight, almost over a weekend, we were able to convert our working from physical files in a significant measure to almost entirely being able to work remotely from our homes. And this was work in progress for a long time. The urgency was never felt, so we were always hovering across the ministries. We were hovering between 10% and 90% or 100% of the files going digital. And suddenly the pandemic came our way, and we found that this is not difficult at all. We actually have what it takes to convert